Okay guys, I'm gonna give y'all the good and the bad. Um, the truck's been fighting me with a backfire issue, and it's been doing it ever since the first time that it did it at a lot a couple of weeks ago when we went down there and tested on the new shocks, and it's been fighting me ever since. And I know it's something small, but we got to fix it and find out what's causing it, guys. So we decided to go ahead and bolt the big turbo on here. Been had it a while. Just decided to go ahead and put it on. Um, so we got it on, and we decided to go to Thunder Valley and test. And this is the results. So we go here, guys, and change the boost settings around a little bit to try to make it feel boost a little quicker, and installed a new set of plugs, and this is what we ended up with. All right guys, we made it to Thunder Valley. This is the first time running the turbo, so we're gonna see how it does. We ended up getting in the shootout because it was free, and just for darn if we didn't draw the blue S10 Pro Charger S10 first round. So we're gonna wait and see how it goes. So y'all stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, the truck's still backfiring, and it's some of what caused me to lose the race. But we went back and tried another crankshaft sensor in it, and here's the results. Ended up making one last pass of the night, and here's the results, guys. Okay guys, I got a few more things that I'm gonna try on the truck before I try it again. I changed the crankshaft sensor. That didn't fix it, so I guess we're gonna try a new camshaft sensor in it next and see if that fixed the problem. And there's a few more things that it could be. It could be a coil, ignition coil, breaking up under a load as it leaves the line. The truck's leaving the line good. It's just as it gets out there, it's like it's losing fire or voltage or whatever. And it could be losing fuel, but the reason we've had trouble finding it is because my computer had quit data logging. So we finally did get it back data logging. So that last pass that I made, it did get the data log. So we're gonna look at the data log and kind of see what we can find out. So I want to thank everybody that watches the channel and for all your support. See you in the next upload.